Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can view Google Maps in 360, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two different things you can use to look at this in a 360 way. So for example, I'm not sure if there is an option here, rather on the PC. On PC, it's just going to be north, south, west, and east, and there's no way to really change the actual orientation. However, you do have a compass on your mobile version, which you can click to recenter to north and south. However, if you pick or use two of your fingers and rotate the picture with those fingers, with of course the fingers going in separate directions, then you will rotate the map to your desired rotation, and that is pretty much it. However, on the PC you can also do something else, and that is of course going into Google Street View. So select the location, go into Street View, and now as you can see, you can view the 360 look of that location by just dragging the mouse over, and that is pretty much it. You can do the same with the mobile version as well, just go into Street View, and that should be it. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.